Hey you guys. Okay, we're out riding the Pinellas Trail today. It is super busy. It's a sunny day. It's in the high 60s and there are people riding bikes like crazy on this. But we parked at Weaver Park and we're riding into downtown Dunedin. We're gonna go have brunch, lunch, whatever you want to call it, our first meal of the day at Kelly's, because they have a fabulous Bloody Mary bar. But there are people all over the place on this trail. I don't know if you can see this way, but can you see that way? There are just tons of people out walking, bike riding. We've already passed a ton of people. Anyway, they're everywhere. So it's a super great day. I just wanted to show you all these people coming up. Look. So we're going into downtown Dunedin and there's 2 markets today. So we're going to scope those out. And then there's a big market in Oldsmar that we're going to scope out after this.
Morning.
So this is super fun. You guys should all just come down here. Isn't this pretty? See all the palm trees and just all the people walking around. Everybody's out today in just short sleeves or, you know, thin sweaters. There's all kinds of places up and down this trail. Okay, hang on just 1 second. We're going to be in the downtown area and I just want to show you how busy it's going to be. Hi! Hang on just a minute. Almost down here. That's where I'm going to be next Friday night. There's an event right there at the House of Beers parking lot. It's called First Friday. No, it's Second Friday, sorry. Some towns have First Friday and some towns have Second Friday, and that one's going to be Second Friday. Okay, so some people are parking and walking up here. Hang on, I gotta get across the street. It's hard to bike and hold a phone. Oh gosh, it's going to be super busy up here. Look how crazy it is. Hang on, I got to get around these people. Oh, there's music too. Oh no, that was some guy's bike. Look how crazy this is. Look at all the bikes. This is super great. They have this every single weekend. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.